to Isat. I look forward to your question, Mr. Bro, Isat is going to ask, why did the
Who's next?
Member Buchanan from Portland.
Thank you,
What we're going to have here? Just a minute. You ask all the questions, they make a note of it, and they're going to answer
that is fine with me, Chairman.
Member Buchanan first. Okay? Ask the questions to make a note of it, then we do all of them.
Minister, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Minister, I point you to 4116, and it's in relation to special education. 41,016. In relation to special education. There is hardship for parents who have to find alternatives resulting in forced absenteeism, and this is in relation to any school that would have been closed down. In particular, School of Hope was closed down, and then children had to be transporting from east to west or finding alternatives. So my question to you is, is there anything in the budget that would facilitate or assist parents who have that additional hardship? Because what's resulting is absenteeism as a result of that. That's the first question.
All right. So I just needed. Okay. All right. I need a clarification. Right,
yeah, it's being written down. Then there is. I'm the spokesperson on youth.
Go back downstairs.
Yes. Yeah, I'm doing that now. Now, in relation to the diagnostic center, it would inform certainly the entire country, but again for Portland, it would inform the placement in terms of advancing special needs to integrate into the school situation. When that center is up and running, what would be the process to have children assessed?
Okay. Yeah.
No, in relation, this is an actual line item, Minister.
Members, give me a chance, man.
41,000 at page 17. And so it's in relation to scholarships. There is a 13% decrease when it comes to the assistance of tuition. Now, given the recent major disaster that we just experienced, where there was displacement of the youth, page 41,017.
Yeah, I'm looking there.
The simple question is, at this time, why would there be any decrease in relation to scholarships and tuition? At that same thing, there was an 8% decrease to youth development. So I'm just highlighting where there is a significant decrease and whether we should rethink that before the budget is passed. And I'm thinking that because, as you see, you just witnessed the trauma from Ocherios, and it means that there's going to be hopefully a diversion, but where the Minister of Security Security of State, will find a placement where that youth continues, education is continued. So the money is moving all around, and the line item is actually development. So just asking to reconsider, or what would account for the decrease at this time. Then
no, you said two questions, my brother.
No, it's not. I'm the youth spokesperson.
No, you said
Chairman,
two questions.
Chairman, my final question. This is now in relation to child protection and family.
You get
the minister, that was in relation to education.
Well, you shouldn't have said two before, you know.
That's in relation to education.
Go on.
Yes, 41051. 5. That's the page. 410515. Yes. Yes, and this is in relation to child protection and family services. The same issue arising where the highlight is a decrease in about $24 million. And a decrease in that amount could impact the effective operation of ensuring there are sufficient resources for reporting incidents of children who are known or suspected to be abused and neglected. And I'm just wondering what accounts for any decrease at that time. It may be a shift around, but if you could just give some guidance on that, would appreciate that. Thank you.
Who next one now? I don't see next, huh? Oh, member from Western St. Andrew. Huh? You don't respond. Did you hear what I said, Minister of State? I say you make note of all the questions and you answer when I finish. You don't answer individually. No, I said at the outset, you're going to make a note of all the questions being asked by members, then you make a comprehensive response. Okay? Member from Western St. Andrew. Now, individual answers.
Chairman, Minister, my special needs program, who are those access? Is it, if you have institution in your constituency that you know and your experience need the assistance, can that be brought in or that is done by the ministry, assessed and done solely by the ministry? Can members of parliament assist in directing where the assistance are needed in their schools, or that is strictly the purview of the ministry? That's one question. The second question, directed to the minister, not you. The second question is the shift system. I've been consistent in asking that the Edith Dalton James High School be taken off the shift system. It is not strictly on it. It's not strictly on it, but it's not strictly the other way either. It's not off it. It's some kind of halfway house that it finds itself in. And this has not helped the institution or the students. And so I was really pleased that the TVET program and some aspects of it has been integrated into the school to begin to help the school to find its way and to really make a contribution. And I believe the school needs to be looked at more closely. And it's something I'm going to be following up with you and the Ministry of Education.
Who next person? Member Newell?
Thank you, Chairman. Just a few quick questions. I 10303, Minister, tertiary grants.